Today we're taking a look at the qimedo 8000mAh Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile cleaning solution designed to deliver powerful suction, extended runtime, and flexible cleaning capabilities for modern homes, dorms, apartments, and pet owners. One of the first features that grabs attention is the powerful 700W motor, engineered to provide strong suction performance for tackling dust, debris, crumbs, pet hair, and dirt across multiple surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, furniture, or tight corners, this vacuum is built to provide reliable cleaning power throughout your home. A major advantage of this model is the inclusion of two rechargeable batteries with a combined 8000 mAh capacity. Battery life is one of the biggest concerns with cordless vacuums, and qimedo addresses that challenge by providing extended runtime for larger cleaning jobs. Instead of stopping midway through your cleaning session, you can continue cleaning more rooms with fewer interruptions. Another standout feature is the impressive 90-inch extension capability. This extended reach makes it easier to clean ceilings, curtains, corners, under furniture, staircases, and difficult-to-reach areas without excessive bending or stretching. It adds versatility that many standard stick vacuums simply don't offer. The vacuum features a large 2-liter dust cup, reducing the need for frequent emptying during cleaning sessions. Larger dust capacity means greater convenience, especially for larger homes or households with pets that generate significant amounts of hair and debris. Its 7-in-1 multifunctional design allows users to convert the vacuum for different cleaning tasks. You can easily switch between floor cleaning, upholstery cleaning, furniture maintenance, stair cleaning, vehicle interiors, shelves, and hard-to-reach spaces. This flexibility makes it a practical all-in-one cleaning solution. Pet owners will appreciate its ability to effectively collect pet hair from floors, furniture, and other surfaces. Combined with strong suction and versatile attachments, the vacuum is designed to simplify everyday cleaning challenges associated with shedding pets. The cordless design enhances mobility and convenience. Without being restricted by power cords, users can move freely throughout their homes, making cleaning faster and more efficient. The lightweight construction further improves maneuverability and user comfort. For students living in dorms, apartment dwellers, pet owners, and families seeking a powerful yet convenient cordless vacuum, the qimedo 8000mAh Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers an attractive combination of strong suction, long runtime, large dust capacity, and versatile cleaning functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product using the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gadgetverse reviews.